Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a unboxing for you. It's a mystery bag. I went a little crazy there around the holidays and there was so many good mystery bags out there. Tiger is with us. There's my tiger. But there was so many good deals and mystery bags, and there's so many cosmetic lines, especially indie brands, that I have been wanting to try. And one of them was Sydney Grace. So this was after Christmas. I was going through looking at Sydney Grace website, and I looked at it earlier, and I don't know why I didn't see these. I'm sorry if it's loud. I have the window open. It's January. I live in the South, and it's a bit warm. So anyway, Sydney Grace had mystery bags. I don't know if they're still available. I will look, and I'll put down in the description a link if they are still available. Not sure. I think they have been on the website for a while. I did go back after I ordered mine, after I ordered it, and kind of watched a few videos and from a few months ago. So I think these mystery bags have been out a while. In fact, they originally sell for $35. When I went on the website, they were half price. So I got mine for $17.50. I couldn't turn it down. I've wanted to try Sydney Grace, so I went ahead and bit the bullet. Now, I ordered a mystery bag without reading all the fine print, which I really should, but I'm not upset about it. There was 3 bags, technically 6 bags to choose from, but there was a red bag, a peach bag, and a blue bag. Now, the peach bags were sold out. Now, in the red bag, there was a light and a deep, and I thought that meant the color of the bag. I couldn't tell. I went back and looked later at the blue bag, and it was, I can't tell if it was just the same bag, but light and deep meant light skin tone, deep skin tone. Duh. But in the red, it was 2 different color bags, and I preferred the deep bag to the light bag, and so that's what I ordered. But I'm not upset about it because I believe I'm going to be pretty happy with what's in here. I have not officially looked in here. Here's the red bag. It says Sydney Grace. It's a beautiful, beautiful bag. Just from other people's videos. I think I'm not going to be upset about it. And I think I actually prefer this to the light red bag. Anyway, let's just get into it. Let's see what's in my bag. I can't remember how much they said this was supposed to equal to, but for $17.50, you know. So there's several things in here. Let me get them out. Oh, ooh, nice. Let me show you the first thing that I am very happy about. It's a brush. It's a brush. Oh, wow. It doesn't say what kind of brush it is, but you can tell it's a powder brush. Oh, it's so, that is so soft. I wonder if it's natural hair. I don't know. But that if it's synthetic, it's the softest I have ever felt. That's a nice brush. That right there pays for the bag, and then some, I'm sure. It's got a wooden handle. It's just so pretty. So that's the first thing that was in my bag. Next, I have a liquid lip. And let me see if I can read this. Color's Tracy. The color is Tracy. So let's see what Tracy looks like. I have a cousin named Tracy. I'm from a big family. You name a name and I've probably got a cousin with that name. It smells good. Oh, that's my shade. Can you see that? I'm trying with the lights. I'm trying. Just a hint of cocoa. Just a hint. It's not got that birthday cake smell or that frosting smell, icing smell. It's a hint of cocoa, though. It's a hint of hot chocolate. But yeah, oh, that is so pretty. I am going to love wearing that. That's my shade. I'm not upset. Next, what's in this box? I got a box. The box says, I don't know. I don't know. The box doesn't know what's in the box. Okay. Oh, yeah, I've seen people. These are liquid cream eyeshadows. So the color is, I don't know. Let's try this. Let me put a little on my hand here. And let me, ooh. Can you see that? I think probably the light's better if I come back here than right on top of you. I'll come up. There we go. Here's that lip. Let me know if these lights look better. I'm trying. I am trying. I had everything set before. You know, I'm trying. Oh, that's a beautiful shade. It's like an antique-y bronzy gold. Well, no, not bronze. An antique-y gold. Yeah, I guess that's the best way I can describe it. Beautiful, beautiful. I usually don't do cream eyeshadows like this. In fact, I don't have any, never have had any in a tube. So, but we'll play with it. I don't know. There we go. And then last, I have these. I've never tried Sydney Grace. This is the first time I've ever had anything Sydney Grace. I believe this is a highlighter. Now, this might be too dark for me since I did pick the deep bag. Oh, it's a little messy. Here it is. It's called Deep Devotion. Deep Devotion. Let me bring it a little closer to you. Let's swatch it. Yeah, this would be an eyeshadow for me. Yeah, that's way too dark for me to be a highlighter. But it is a very pretty shade. That's pretty. Yeah, that's the only regret I have, that I would have liked to have had a wearable highlighter for me, but that's all right. Oops, touching my lights. Let me put this back. I don't have a Z palette with me. I don't have any kind of magnetic palette. So all of these have to live in their little containers until I get permanently situated somewhere. So there we go. That's that one. And I probably, while I'm here, I probably won't touch any of these while I'm here. I won't say never. I might do some eyeshadow looks, but here's the next one. Let's take it out. Well, they all look like this, so I'm just going to take them out and show you. This one is Relentless Beauty. Oh, this is pretty. Now, these are all pinks and reds. The peach box had pinks and peaches, and then the blue had blues and browns. I didn't want any blues and browns. That's why I didn't get it. That's pretty. Let's swatch it. That's a beautiful matte. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? I think you can. That's a beautiful shade. Oh, man. That's gorgeous. I like that shade. I like that a lot. Okay. Next. This shade is called You Have Me. Ooh, another pretty matte. You Have Me. Swatch. Ooh, pretty. It's a little redder. It's in the same color family, just a little redder, but that's beautiful. A deep, maybe a rusty red, a little rusty. Not too rusty. It's more red than rust, but it does have that little bit of brown in it, maybe. Next, I have Together Forever. Oh, got Rick Astley's song going through my head. Do y'all remember that? Together forever. Yeah. There we go. Get back here. This is, ooh, it's brown. Yes. It's a beautiful brown. It's a chocolate brown. But it's got like a red kind of shift. Well, I don't want to say shift. Got a hint of red in it. It's not a true brown. It goes great with these others. I am not upset. I am quite impressed. And these shadow. No wonder people rave about Sydney Grace. And then my last one is Yours Forever. And we have a shimmer. It's beautiful. I love a beautiful red shimmer. Oh, yeah, I think I'll pull these out and play with them. Look at that. Do you see that? One swatch. Do you see? Let's see if I can get it closer for you. Look at that. Gorgeous. Man, those are gorgeous. And the highlighter makes a great companion for these because I like, you know, some shimmer, light shimmer in my eye looks. All that looks great. We'll have to do an eye look with that. So I will be pulling these back out. But they're going to have to live in their little things for a while. So there we go. I am not upset by anything. I love everything. I love this lip. The cream eyeshadow. I am quite impressed. I'm glad I got the deep one. Now I really am. Oh, that is just, I'm very pleased. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become one of my new friends. I'm friends with so many of my subscribers that we chat outside of YouTube. So, yeah, I would love to have new friends. So if you would, hit that subscribe button down below. Any questions or comments, let me know. And tell me what you think. Have you tried Sydney Grace? Did you get this this bag? Or one of the other ones, a brown one or the blue one or well, there wasn't a brown one, a blue one, the peach one, or the red one. There we go. So guys, again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.